Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to create an Excel dashboard from multiple Excel files. The dashboard you are seeing on my screen is of Kickstarter, which is a crowdfunding company. In this video we will creating similar dashboard. So let's begin. Here are the pointers that we are going to include in our dashboard. Total number of projects based on outcomes, locations and so on. We will start creating the similar dashboard by step by step. First, create a data model by importing the raw Excel files and establish relationship on this Excel sheet. You can see my previous video how to build a data model in Excel during Power Pivot. We will start after that. Since all of these data needs to be displayed dynamically based on years, quarters and months, we will first create filters like this. To do this, go to Insert and click on Slicer. A pop-up window will open. Click on All and select Year, Quarter and Month from Calendar table. Now, arrange these as shown in the dashboard, one below another. Click on Quarter filter and go to Slicer menu. Increase the column number as 4 and hit Enter. The quarters are arranged horizontally now. We will now create graph and charts. We will be creating a pie chart for the first KPI, which is to display the number of total projects based on outcomes. Go to Insert, click on Pivot Table and Pivot Chart. Let the button checked at Use this workbook's data model and click OK. We will see the pivot table fields window at the right side of Excel file. Here we will see all the tables that we had imported and build the relationships. From row data table, pull state, which is the outcome column, to the axis and ID to values. You will see the bar graph by default. Go to design, change chart type and click on pie chart. The data are now in pie chart. Go to quick layout and select this option which shows the outcomes, names and values in percentage. Arrange this graph on the dashboard. Double click on the table name and rename it. Now let's look at other KPIs. The next is to display the data based on successful projects. First, Let's show the total amount raised by successful projects like this. Go to pivot table, power pivot, then manage, and now create a measure to get the data. Write the formula here. I will paste this formula in the description section for you. This will calculate the sum of amount for the projects which are successful. Then save by Ctrl S and close it. Select the cell here, go to Insert, Pivot Table and click from Data Model. Click OK. Search for total amount raised. You will see the measure which we just created. Pull this to value. We get the required data is here. Now let's see how we will get the total number of backers for successful projects. Again go to Power Pivot, Manage on Raw Data, select another cell, copy our formula and paste in the formula bar for selected cell and then make the necessary changes to it. I will paste this formula as well in the description section. Save and close now. Now go to Insert, Pivot Table and click from Data Model. Click OK. Search for total backers by successful projects. You will see the new measure which we just created. Pull this to value. We get the required data is here. Similarly, for the next KPI, we will follow the same process. I will paste the formula for this as well. Now, let's see how we can create this section of dashboard. There is a filter created on outcomes. So, go to Insert, click Slicer, select State from raw data and OK. Increase the column by 6 and enter. Resize this now. Change the caption from here as total number of projects based on country and category and outcomes and press enter. Now go to Insert, Pivot Chart, click OK, pull country to axis and name to value field. To change the graph design, go to Design, change chart type and click on bar. Now click on country axis value filters, and top 10. So top 10 by count of name, press OK. Again click country access, more sort options, select count of name from drop down and OK. Now hide the excess names, rename the title and resize the layout. Now copy the graph and paste the same. Replace country by category name. Here you get the required KPI in bar graph. Let's create the representation for top successful projects based on the amount raised. To do so, go to Insert, Pivot Chart, pull State to Filter field, Name to Access field, and Goal into Static USD Rate to Value field. From State, filter option, uncheck all and check only successful. Rename the graph title, right click on any of the button and hide all fill buttons from the graph. Now sort the graph by right click on any of the bar and sort by largest to smallest. Filter the top 10 by clicking on the project name and right click and filter top 10. We have the required graph now. For another graph for KPI, top successful projects based on the backers count. Copy this graph and paste the same. Replace goal, replace goal into USD rate with backers count. Click on any of the bars Right click and sort by largest to smallest. To display percent of top successful projects by category, copy the previous graph and paste. Replace name from access field with category name. Backers count with project name from value field setting. Show value as percentage of grand total. Click on the plus sign of graph and check the data labels. Sort the bars by largest to smallest. Now coming to the last KPI graph for this dashboard, which is top successful projects based on goal range. To do this, we need to create a measure first to set goal range. For this, go to Power Pivot, then Manage, select the empty cell, click Add Column, paste the formula in the formula bar, press Enter. I will paste this formula also in the description of this video. Now save and close. Insert pivot chart, pull goal range to access field, state to filter, and project name in value field. Now change the graph by pie chart from design and change chart type. From state filter, uncheck all the options and check only successful. Choose the right design for above, which shows the percentage. Rename the chart as top successful projects based on goal range. Right click on any of the button and hide all field buttons from the chart. Now, let's see how to connect the filters or slicers with the graphs, charts, and tables. Right click on Year filter, go to Report connector, and check all the boxes and press OK. Right click on quarter filter, go to report connector and check all the boxes and press OK. The same process we will do on month name filter. Right click on total number of projects based on country and category and outcomes filter. Go to report connector and check chart 1 and chart 2 boxes and click on OK. Now we will arrange and decorate the dashboard with the colors of your choice. The dashboard is the dashboard is ready. Hope this tutorial on creating an Excel dashboard using multiple Excel files, the data model, DAX formulas, Power Pivot, and Power Chart is helpful. If you find it useful, please like, subscribe, and share the video. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much.